a lot of different things. I've tried a lot of Norse rice and noodles. I've tried fettuccine on the trail. Honestly, none of it I can eat. It never... Well, I found this pretty little spot for lunch. So I'm gonna set up and show you what I'm doing today. I watched Dixie's channel and she made this little koozie for her cook pot so that she can, after she heats up the water, she can put it in here and the insulation keeps it warmer longer. Today, I'm going to be using this little 650 milliliter Toaks titanium pot. I'm going to cook in this, so I need to heat my water for my coffee first. So to do that, watching Senior Hiker, I got this cup, and this is a really neat cup. It's got markings on it so I can tell how much water is going in there. So let me look and see how much I need for my meal today. All right. So we'll put 300 milliliters. In here for my coffee. Let me get that to heating while I get my other food ready. While it heats up, I'm going to take my Max Espresso. This is a Korean coffee. It has creamer and sugar in the package with it, and it is the best tasting coffee that I have had out on the trail. For instant coffee, it's pretty fine. So put it in there, let my water boil, get my spork, read the instructions on today's dinner. I like to add some protein to my noodles, so I have this dried beef. I'm going to cut up into little chunks. chili powder in there. Get a little spice. This is a beef flavor. A little bit of oil. Put this carefully in my koozie. Cover the top. Cover it up. Let it set for 3 minutes. Okay, I have tried a lot of different things. I've tried a lot of Norse rice and noodles. I've tried fettuccine on the trail. Honestly, none of it I can eat. It never rehydrates well. I just can't get it right. So what I've learned is that the Asian noodles always cook up well. You know, ramen is the go-to thing. But today I am having pad thai noodles with the spices and the vegetables. I've added some beef jerky in here to give it some protein. And then as always, I'm gonna put a little bit of buttering seasoning on it. So I have this butter seasoning, and I'm gonna try some of it on it, and then we'll see how it is. Just sprinkle some of that on there. Mix it up a little bit. There we go. Smells good. Normally I would just eat out of my pot. I brought a plate, a paper plate, so that I can take it with me and not leave anything behind and not worry about leaving a mess. But bon appetit. Every time these come out good. Well, it's been a beautiful day for a little short outing, and now I'm going to head back to the car and go back home, get ready for the rest of the day. Getting out here is probably the best thing that I know to do. Just being immersed in nature and hearing all the sounds, getting away from the drama of, I guess, the real world, if that's it, and enjoying creation. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay on the path. God bless you.